If you have been sharing or circulating newspapers in the form of PDFs recently, knowingly or unknowingly, you have committed a crime and there are strong repercussions, as Anita Nkong explains.
Look familiar? Yes, those are screenshots of daily news publications that have been shared online, especially on WhatsApp groups. All for free, even though they should come at a fee. According to the amended Copyrights Act of 2001, you could be facing up to 10 years in prison for the theft and illicit sale of digital copies of newspapers. Furthermore, if you're forwarded such in a WhatsApp group, you too could be in trouble.
Anybody who makes a copy of a copyright work beyond 2 copies commits an offense. Anybody who offers for sale a copyright work that is not coming from the copyright holder commits an offense. Anybody who tries to circumvent technical protection measures that are usually placed on digital platforms to access these works and download commits an offense.
This comes after a spike in the illegal sale and distribution of newspapers on social platforms following the government-imposed restrictions on movements.
It is really very sad this time that, while students are at home, people want to enjoy a good book. There are people who want to benefit from this pandemic by selling people books that are of doubtful value, sharing with them newspapers that are, some of them, to my information, have been manipulated so that you get fake headlines.
The result of such actions is seeing newspapers and publications losing significant income due to the breach.
Kenya Copyright Board has received a complaint from one of the major newspaper publishers. The complaint that we have received has given us certain information that we are using to track about 4 people who are thought to be mainly responsible for this.
Those found guilty of committing the offense could have to pay a fine 5 times the market value of each shared copy of the copyright product, or 1,000 shillings for each infringing copy, whichever is higher. The guilty could also face up to 10 years in prison. If you are found to be a repeat offender, you could face a fine of up to 10 times the market value of the copyright product shared, or 2,000 shillings for each infringing copy, whichever is higher, or even imprisonment for a term not exceeding 20 years, or to both. Be warned. Anita Nkong, NTV.